Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I'm a self-taught makeup enthusiast who loves dabbling with different styles, and today I'm going to be trying out steampunk actually for the first time. I ordered a couple things on AliExpress, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing and then I'll show you guys the full look at the end. So if you guys want to see what I got, how I put this outfit together, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I feel like my appearance is like all over the place today. I've got like sort of a steampunk thing going up here, then I've got the remains of a cosplay look going on my face, and then I'm just wearing like my workout clothes, but I will be changing. I guess let's just unbox it and then I'll try it on. First off, I've got this off the shoulder, like sort of 3/4 sleeve blouse with this cute little cropped blouse. There's a dog like barking. Anyways, got this blouse, and then I'm going to be wearing a corset over. So this is quite the corset. Oh, are there different pieces? What is going on here? What is this? Wait, are there different pieces to this? Hold on, what? Oh, okay, it's different. Oh, I see. So there's a little like vest sort of thing. There's a little vest and then the corset itself. Oh, okay, I didn't realize. I thought it was one piece. I'm actually really glad because that way I can wear them as separates or I can wear them together. Okay, cool. So that's great. Also comes with one of these, but we're not going to be talking about that. And then I have sort of beige gloves. I also got them in black. I think beige will work better. And then I've got this skirt. It's like a ruffled kind of skirt, or like a ruched skirt. So it's, I think that's, no, this is the front. And then you can pull up, let's see if I can show it to you in full. And then you can pull it and then it gets shorter in the front, so you can do like a high-low situation or not. I've got a petticoat, not really, like sort of like a, a cheap petticoat, also from AliExpress. I don't know if I'm gonna wear that or not. I'm going to see how it looks when I put it on, because I would like to give the skirt more volume. And then I also got a pair of shoes from Amazon. Hopefully these fit. These are in black, not brown, so hopefully they match as well. And the box is broken. Okay, nice. Oh, they're short. Oh wait, no they're not. Ooh, okay. Oh, these are like, wow, these are so Victorian. These are really nice. They feel like they're probably faux leather. Based on the price, they're probably faux leather. But then they've got like lacy detailing. Oh, these are super, super cute. I really hope they fit. They're size 6, which is what I normally wear, so we shall see. I don't like that they were shipped folded like that. I'm gonna have to just make sure that they don't get, you know, stuck one way. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna put this all on and then I guess I'll come back and show you what it looks like and we'll talk about the different pieces. Well, some of these things worked and some really did not. The corset, I somehow really fucked up and ordered the completely wrong size because I couldn't even like get it on. It's got like a zip on the side. I could start the zipper and it was on the loosest setting and I just couldn't zip it. I think it's about a size or two too small on me. I'm gonna see if they'll allow me to return it and just exchange it for a bigger size. I doubt they will, so I might just have to sell it, which sucks because I actually really wanted a corset with that design, and I don't know how I could have misread the size chart that badly. So that was really dumb. I have this underbust corset that I had ordered from AliExpress, so I'm just wearing it with this top, which by the way is like cutting off circulation in my armpits right now. It's not the most comfortable for long-term wear, which also really sucks. The skirt is really cute. It's nothing like crazy fancy. It's fine. I like that you can adjust it, but like it's not really my style. Like it's very much a costume skirt for me. I wouldn't wear it as like an outfit, but I'm glad I have the petticoat because I think it just adds a bit of nice volume. And then the shoes are actually super cute. Not the most comfortable, and I'm curious to see if they'll stretch a bit because they are like a little snug around the calves, but I guess I can loosen the shoelaces. So let's talk about the outfit, I guess, overall. The top is fine. I think I give it like a 4 out of 5. It's just like weirdly tight in the armpits. Everywhere else it's like fine, I can deal with it. It's just there that it's really tight. The corset, I mean, like, it looks nice. I guess I give it a 5 and maybe like a 1 to me for just like ordering the wrong size. I'm so bummed out about that because that was going to be like the highlight of the outfit and the piece that was going to tie everything together. So that really sucks. The skirt, like, it's fine. I give it a 4 out of 5. The material is like kind of weird. I don't know. It's like very like weirdly stretchy, almost athletic pant material. That's the best way I would describe it. The shoes are good. I think I give them a 4.5 out of 5. This is kind of going more like pirate core than steampunk. So I feel like I'd have to like add some accessories or something to try and bring it back to steampunk, because right now it's very, very pirate core. I'm really just bummed out that the corset is the wrong size. I don't know how I messed up that badly. So I'm really upset with myself for that. Oh, and then the gloves. The gloves are nice. They don't really go with the outfit though. They're nice. I give them a 5 out of 5, but I don't think they really go. I don't think I'll include them in this outfit, but yeah, just really a bummer about the corset. Also, my boobs right now are like lifted and they're just like jutting out in front of me. It's like very distracting. Anyways, so that was my first experience putting together a steampunk look. Not too bad for my first attempt, I think. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think, I guess, in the comment section below. If you do steampunk, feel free to leave some like feedback below. I have always wanted to get into steampunk. I've always thought it was a really cool aesthetic, and I guess just didn't really know where to start. I used to be scared of just like dressing up for the sake of dressing up because I felt like I needed some sort of like event to go to, and now I don't really care anymore. So I'm glad that I have this outfit, but just kind of bummed out that it took me this long to like figure out all of this, and bummed out that the corset didn't work out. But I'm gonna work on that and see if I can maybe get it the same one in a bigger size, because I like it, it looks good, it just does not fit. Yeah, so if you guys have any recommendations also of places to shop, I don't want to spend like a ridiculous amount of money, especially because like I don't want to be fully steampunk, but it's a style that I like dabbling in from time to time. So I'd probably just shop on like AliExpress, to be honest. If you like the type of looks that I do here on my channel, they're usually just like very out there, very experimental. I like to also play with different styles and different aesthetics, and I don't know, I just like to have fun and experiment. So if you like that type of stuff, I'm sure you'll enjoy the content that I post on my other social media, which is kind of a lot of the same. I'll often post looks from the videos that I do here on my channel. So if you like the stuff here, you'll probably like the stuff there. And it would just really help me out as a small creator if you would follow me on those platforms and just interact with my content. That just really helps me out because it tells the platforms that you want to continue seeing my content, and then it just boosts me as a creator. So I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you enjoy the content that I post here on my channel and you want to see more, I'd love it if you could subscribe and turn on notifications, and that way you'll get updates every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.